Hello dear student, I am expecting that you have completed the work given in the previous videos and PDF, and if you have not completed, please be regular because today onwards you will get the PDF and video regularly. Okay, till now you are getting the chance that alternate day you are getting the video or 2 days after, so you have the time to complete. But now after you will get the PDF and video regularly. And make sure you will do the work as it is explained in the class and it is given in the PDF. Okay, so we have completed the conversion of time, that is to AM, PM, 24-hour clock, then conversion of hour to minute, minute to hour, second, minute to second, second to minute. These all we have done. Okay, so now we are going to begin with the addition and subtraction of time. I understand that you are knowing that it is very easy addition, no problem will be there, but in case of addition of time, it is little different from the others. In metric measure or in the normal addition and subtraction, simply what we are doing, we are adding the number, and after adding the number, when we are taking the carry forward, we are carrying forward in the 1. But here it is not like that. So how to do, I am going to explain. Just pay constant attention, and in case of any further doubt when the school will reopen, I will explain. So be attentive, have a look. So here is the question, hours, minute, and this is hours, minute and second. So first I am going to start with the hours and minute. Okay. How to write the question, that is very important in writing, doing the question exercises of time. So first we will write down hours and minute, okay, where it is written A. After that we will leave one line. And then we will write the numbers. And see, while writing the numbers, I have not left the space, which means we don't have to leave the line. So what we will do here, we will add these numbers. How to do that? 5 plus 7, simple addition. If the minute side is going to be added, it is added simply as we are doing the normal addition. So 5 plus 7, it is 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, this is 102. Early time, if it is a normal addition, what you are going to do, you will take this one as a carry forward. But in case of time, it is not. We will add minute part separately, and after adding the number, if the sum is coming more than 60, then we will convert it into the hour. How to convert? One process you are doing, that we have to divide and convert. But the another process is, we will subtract here 60 from this number. And this 60 is equal to 1 hour. And where this 1 hour will go? It will be carried forward to the 1. So this 1 hour is going to the carry forward. Now when we subtract it, 2 minus 0 is 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. So this is 42 minute. And 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, now what is the answer now? At the last it is important to write the answer, and answer is 11 hours and 42 minutes. I am repeating again what I did. First I added the minute part. After adding the minute part, I got 102. 102 is more than 60, since we know that in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So whatever part is more than that 60 minutes will go to the hour side. So we will subtract 60 from here. 60 is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So this 1 hour will be carried forward towards the hour side. And when we subtracted it, 2 minus 0 is 2 and 10 minus 6 is 4. So the answer is 11 hours 42 minutes. Clear to you all? Now I am moving to the second question, and the second question is hours, minute and second. And the same process will be go on. We will leave one line after writing hours, minute and second, and then we will proceed here. Okay? 5. Now 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. And 65 is more than 60. So what we will do? We will subtract 60 from here. So it will be 5, 0, 5 we can say. And what we have subtracted, it is from second. And 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So we will write down here 1 minute. There is no space, but I hope it is clear to you all. 60 minutes is equal to 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, and this 1 minute will be carried forward to the minute side. Clear? Now we add this 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. 5 plus 3, 8 and 1, 9. Again 91 minutes is more than 60 minutes. So it will be subtracted again. We will subtract again. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 9 minus 6 is 3. This is 31 and what we have subtracted it is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and where this 1 hour will go? It will be carried forward here. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, so what steps we have followed? I am just recapitulating. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 65 is more than 60. We will subtract here. Minus 60 we will do. And minus 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So this 1 minute will be carried forward towards the minute side. And rest of the part again, we will add this. We got 91. 91 is more than 60. Again we will subtract and we got 31 minute. We have to write here, it is minute. This is second and this is hour. Okay, so now this 60 which we have subtracted, it is 1 hour and it will go this side. Okay, now 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. And at last we have to write the answer, and answer is 15 hour, 31 minute and 5 seconds. Hope this is clear to you. Now we are moving to the second question. Now we are moving to the second topic, that is subtraction of the time. Subtraction of the time, also the same process we will follow. What is that? So we will take this hour and minute. Okay. After that we will leave one line. We have to leave one line and then we will write the numbers. Okay. Now see. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. We don't have to borrow anything. We don't have to do any simple subtraction. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. We will write down the answer. 5 hours, 20 minutes. Okay. Now the second one, if I will see, this 20 minutes is smaller than 40 minutes. It means we have to take borrow. How to take borrow? We are taking the borrow from our side, and that is 9 hours. So 9 will turn to 8 and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what we are taking borrow? 1 hour, and we are taking the borrow towards the minute side. So it will be going to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So this 60 minutes we have taken borrow. Already we had 20 minutes. So this 20 minutes will be added in this, and it will be 60 plus 20, 80 minutes. Clear? Now 80 minus 40 we will easily subtract. So what we will do? 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. So what we have done? We have taken the borrow. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Already 20 minutes was there. So 60 plus 20, it is 80 minutes. 80 minus 40, normal subtraction, because 80 is greater than 40. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 8 minus 4 is 4. Now towards our side, 8 is there because we have taken the borrow. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So answer is clear to you all? In normal addition, what we are doing? We are taking the carry over 1 or 10, whatever you can say. But in case of the time, we are not taking the borrow or carry 1. Whatever units, from which unit we are taking the carry, that will be considerable. Like if it is the minute, if it is more than 60, we will convert it to the first minute and hour, and then we will proceed. There are two processes to conversion. One I already told while conversion that if we have to convert from minute to hour, what we are doing? We are dividing. So the same process we are doing here also, beta. What is that? For example, if I am taking 95 minutes we have to convert it to the hour. What we will do? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will divide by 60. 61 just 60 minus 8. We are getting 45. Sorry, 35. Okay. So whatever remainder, it is the smaller unit. Whatever is quotient, it is the higher unit. The same thing we have done when we have subtracted 60. It means we are going to carry over 1 hour. Understood? Okay, now we are moving to the third question of subtraction. First one, hours and minutes, direct one where we don't have to take anything borrow. The second one, we have taken the borrow from the hour side to the minute side. Now we are moving to the third one part, which one, hours, minute and second, all three are there. Okay. So first we will subtract the second part. While writing the question, make sure you will leave at least 2 finger gap between these two numbers. Either it is hours and minute or it is minute to hour, whatever. We will leave little space so that whatever conversion part is there, we will do in that space. Okay. So 50 minus 45, so 0 minus 5 not possible. We will take the borrow, and this is normal borrow because we are only touching the second side. We are not taking borrow from anywhere else. So when we are using the 1 unit, we will do the normal subtraction. So we have taken borrow, this will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 4 minus 4 is 0. It is 0.5 second. Now 40 minus 33, same thing. We are what we are going to do? This will be 3 and this will be 10. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now 12 minus 6, what is there? 12 minus 6 is 12 minus 6 is 6. So the answer is, it is a simple subtraction. We don't have to take borrow from anywhere. 6 hours, 7 minutes. Okay. Whenever writing 7 minutes, we will not write 7. We will write 07. As I told you earlier also, when you are writing the date, you will not write date 1, 2 like that. If for example, you are going to write the date for 5, now you will write 05, 01, 2024, because the number is having 2 digits. Okay, 12 months is there, 31 days are there, 30 days are there in conversion table. If you see, 1 month is equal to 30 days. It means the date should be 2 digits. 1 year is equal to 12 months. It means 1 to 12 months, 2 digits. And year is having 1998, 2024, 4 digits. So we will write like that. That is the correct way to write the date. So we are not going to the date side. We are moving towards this one. Okay. So this will be write 07. We will not write 7 minutes. And this is 05 second. Understood everyone? Now we are moving to the borrowing one. Okay, now I have changed this question. In the book, the question is given 45 minus 35, but I wanted to explain you how to take borrow, so I have just changed the subtrahend and minus here. But in the book, it is not like that. So you have to do only that question which is given in the PDF. You don't have to worry. It is just to explain you. I changed the question. Okay. And as I told you earlier, also in exam, also it's not compulsory. The question will come from the book only. We can change the question from anywhere. Okay. So now we are proceeding. Hours, minute and second. We have to leave little gap between this first question. The second, we have to leave one line after writing the units and number. so that we will do all the conversion in this area, and then we will write the number. While writing the number, we don't have to leave the space. We will not leave line. Okay. Now we are proceeding. See, if we will take this number, 35 is less than 45. We are not able to subtract. So some of the children, what they are doing, they will subtract 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 4 not possible. They take borrow from here. It will be 13 minus 4. No, that is wrong way. When you are taking the one unit, you are operating the one unit, you have to only focus on that unit. You will, if you are taking the borrow from another unit, you will not take borrow 1, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay? Already 35 seconds is there, so 60 plus 35 is equal to 95 seconds. Now we will subtract 95 minus 45. So 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. Okay? So this is 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. This is 50. Now what is left here when you are taking 1 minute borrow? We will make it little shorter because this side also we have to do conversion. So it is 1 minute is equal to 60 plus 30. That's why I said at least leave 2 finger gaps so that we will write this conversion here only. Okay. Now when we are taking borrow from 33, it becomes 32. Correct? Now 32 minus 55, again it is not possible. We will take the borrow from hours. So this 10 will turn to 9. Okay. And we are taking borrow 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Already 32 minutes is there. So 60 plus 32 is equal to, we will cut that and we will write down here 92 minutes. Okay. Generally children are getting confused in this one. So please be attentive while listening this question. Okay. So this is 92 minutes. Now 92 is more than 55. We have to subtract. Now 92 is also minute, 55 is also minute. We will subtract as we are doing the normal subtraction. 2 minus 5 not possible. We will take borrow. It will turn to 8 and this will turn to 12. 12 minus 5. Clear? Now here it is 8 and here it is 5. 8 minus 5. 3. Okay. Now 9 minus 7, 2. So the answer is 2 hours, 37 minutes and 50 seconds. It is compulsory to write the answer after solving every question. Okay. Very important, otherwise here I will be not able to understand what is that. So I will get confused. I am not as intelligent as you people are. So please write the answer clearly so that I can understand it properly. So this is all about the addition and subtraction. I hope it is clear. I will explain the word problem. Verbally I am explaining you because in the PDF I have explained and solved the questions. So Riya spent 1 hour 30 minutes to complete her homework. She spent 2 hours 45 minutes to complete her project. How much time did she spend all together in both the activities? 2 activities all together means we are combining. If we are combining, it means we have to add. Clear? A school function went for 3 hours 15 minutes before the break and 2 hours 45 minutes after the break. How long did the function take place? How long means total time. Total means we have to plus. An aeroplane takes 5 hours 30 minutes and ship takes 20 hours 15 minutes to reach a certain destination. Which means of transport takes less time and by how much? In this one we have to compare. If we are comparing, it means we have to find out the less or more. So we have to subtract. Okay. Last question is, a carpenter took 5 hours 15 minutes to make a table. he took 3 hours 45 minutes to make a chair. How much more time did the carpenter take to make the table than chair? Okay, so in this one we have to subtract, because more time they are asking, again we have to compare, and whenever comparison questions are there we have to subtract. Okay, so this is about the exercise 16.8. Now we will proceed to the next, in the next video we will proceed to the next topic. So what I told earlier also, don't only fix on the questions which is given in the PDF. That question you have to do in classroom copy. Classroom copy you have to do only that question which is given in the PDF. But for the practice, make sure you will solve each and every question given in the exercise. This is the best time you will utilize it. Nah? Because once the school will be open, so many work is there, so many, you will be going to be overburdened with the classwork, homework, revision, this and that. So this time God has blessed you to give you this extra time to do the practice at your home properly. And math is the subject, as I told already earlier also, that it needs practice. You can't mug up it. Okay? So all the best to everyone. God bless you all. Do practice, do well. God bless.